Welcome to the first spot. Now we're ready to... Yeah.
Thank you. Vegan fried chicken.
Look very pretty.
Aww, thank you.
Hello everyone!
Hi.
I'm really excited to meet you guys. Can you briefly introduce yourselves?
Hello, I'm Christina. I'm from the States. I'm vegan who likes a vegan lifestyle. I'm an actress and show host here in Seoul.
My name is Aiym. I'm from Kazakhstan and I'm a senior student here in Korea University Business School. I'm currently working as a social media marketer.
What type of makeup style do you usually wear?
Daily, I like a kind of natural look, but on days when I have a shoot, I like to put out a little bit more effort in concealing my breakouts, my under eyes.
Actually, same for me. I have a photo shoot for my senior yearbook coming up. I really want my skin to look flawless for that.
Alright, so let's unbox the blue box. This is the renewal version of the brand new Laneige Neokution Matte. Its long-lasting and high-coverage formula has been upgraded.
Wow.
I have used it before and it's amazing.
This product is vegan because it doesn't use any animal-related products.
When the puff is vegan, that's so cool. Zoom and Laneige, get ready with neon cushion. Hey everyone, let's talk about the neon cushion. I have two colors, cool beige and also cool vanilla. First off, it's super cute. I really like how compact it is. I can just easily touch it up. This is the red dot. It catches the puff and it doesn't fall out. I'm gonna try it on my face. So this is the cool beige. This is the cool vanilla on my other side. See the difference, right? The beige matches my skin tone more. The cool vanilla, I think I would use maybe under my eyes as a brightener. I'm just gonna take off all of my makeup and then do my skincare. Toner, soothing cream, sunscreens. This cushion does contain skincare products. Like, it's not looking cakey and it's covering up a lot, but it's still light. See the difference? And with the dots on the puff, I feel like I'm getting a really even coat. Wow, so the coverage is really, really good. It makes my skin look really radiant and just looks really natural. I'm going to start with blush. I think I added like maybe a little bit too much. So with the remaining product, I'm just gonna even it out a little bit. I'm going to use an orangey kind of color for my eyeshadow. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the side of my eye and just work my way out. This is my makeup look for today. My closet. All of my clothes are also vegan too. For example, this is not real leather, it's fake leather. Yeah, I think I will choose this. Okay, I am all dressed and I'm ready to go to the exhibition. So I arrived to the Home Art Museum. I'm gonna look at some artwork by Kim Hwan-gi, and they have a really nice outdoor area here too. An hour now, I've been walking around here and inside. It's been about 3.5 hours since I put on my makeup. How it looks, not bad. I'm gonna use the puff because I have some smile lines. This dot is just so convenient because my puff is just staying in, especially because I'm outside. So if this puff falls on the ground, then it's gonna get really dirty. The puff makes it really, really easy to apply. I notice it applies a lot more evenly than the other cushion that I used, which I really like. It has a more matte-like finish. Just really like the finish of it. So I just arrived at Style Vegan and my friend is here. Hello! I'm going to eat some vegan food. This is the vegan fried chicken and the vegan taco. I've actually been vegan and vegetarian for quite some time now. So I stopped dairy and eggs. And then last, I implemented into my skincare and makeup products. How does my makeup look today?
Amazing! Especially like your base makeup, it looks very like clean. It looks very pretty.
Aww, thank you.
Now we're ready to take pictures. Good morning everyone! Today I'm going to take some graduation pictures. Today I want to look as beautiful as I can. I'm planning to use these new Neo cushions, how they are different from the older version of the cushion. The puff is a bit unusual because it has many little dots inside. The new Neo cushion has even more such little spots on the puff. Can apply more of a product on your face and less on the product is wasted actually on the puff. So let's try it out. The only thing I'm going to do is apply this mist serum. First I'm going to apply the texture on the skin so smoothly. First apply it on the cheeks. Now I go to the forehead. I have 2 red dots here. Usually I use concealer to cover them up, but I can skip the concealer step because it covers them already. It's thick enough to cover all the imperfections like that. I'm not using the concealer, I'm just using the cushion directly as well. My skin looks moisturized, it doesn't look dry at all. I want my makeup to be a bit brighter than usual because you know that on the pictures makeup usually looks a bit dull. I think my makeup is ready. I don't like the ones that have yellowish orange color because I just don't like how it looks on my skin, and I feel like this foundation fits perfectly because it doesn't look too yellow, warm tone on my skin. This is my look for today. I came to Korea University. Many people usually take pictures right here on this spot. I also took a picture right here back in 2019. I feel like already 4 hours have passed since I applied my makeup today. I just want to reapply this cushion. I like that this cushion isn't cakey. Yeah.
Wait, I think my makeup's dying. Does anyone have extra cushion or something?
Actually, I brought some presents for you.
Wait, really?
So, this is for you.
Thank you. This is interesting because you can also reapply it without it being so cakey.
Thank you for the present.
I mean, it's
Thank
your
you.
graduation ceremony, but you were the one giving this present. Thank you.
Overall, I'm super happy with the new Neo Cushion Matte. Covered up a lot, but it looked really natural, which I liked. So I would recommend this cushion for those who don't want to touch up throughout the day because it's just super long lasting.
I would say that this cushion is now my best friend. I could really apply it in the morning and then go throughout the day without worrying that something will happen to my skin.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye!